ProLogic build in to this ProLogic series and some models of our ScanLogic biometric series to the lock using a specific piece of software and some hardware to be able to wirelessly program each of the safe locks. Either locally, also use that wireless receiver transmitter to send information from the safe lock. But some of the safe locks on the market, they use a device called a Dallas key, which looks like this. And essentially what they do with this, it's a small memory chip and a Dallas called a wireless link. And the wireless link looks like an iPod. It's about the size of an iPod, has an LCD screen, has a couple of buttons for control. But it is a device that talks wirelessly from the safe lock. You would bring this device to the location. You'd turn it on. What you can see it's doing is it's transferring wirelessly all of its information in the audit trail automatically from this device into my software. And now I can sort the report, I can filter it, I can print it, I can save it, do all of the types of things that you need to do with audit reports.